Virgo children are goal-oriented and have great attention to detail, but sometimes they can be too hard on themselves. Here are the top 5 tips for parenting a Virgo. 5. Teach organizational skills. Virgo individuals thrive in organized environments. So encourage your young Virgo to exercise their organizational skills from an early age, whether it's through organizing toys, school supplies, or their room. 4. Be mindful of their sensitivity. Virgos are more sensitive than they seem, especially to anything they see as criticism. Approach constructive feedback with care, provide encouragement and gentle guidance. 3. Foster a love of learning. Virgo kids love to learn. Provide a variety of educational activities and resources to encourage their curious and intellectual nature. 2. Encourage healthy habits. Virgos of any age enjoy embracing healthy practices and routines in their daily lives. Their overall well-being will be greatly improved through regular exercise, good food, and sufficient sleep. 1. Cultivate a positive work ethic. Virgo children are often quite diligent and dedicated when it comes to their education and growth. Acknowledging their efforts and achievements will help them to have a sense of pride in their work and accomplishments.